Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I will show you how to clean the C drive in Windows 11 to make your PC go fast as Flash. So let's begin. Number 1. Go to the Windows button and right-click on it. Then click on the Run button. Then type temp and click OK and continue. Here you can see your unwanted temporary files, which are just here to kill your RAM and memory. So just select every one of them and delete. Skip those files which are not deletable and delete the rest of them. Number 2. Again go to the Windows button and right-click on it. Then click on the Run button. This time you have to type %temp% and click OK to continue. These are also temporary files. So select all of them and delete them from PC. Skip if there are any undeletable files and finish. Number 3. Again go to the Windows button and right-click on it. Then click on the Run button. This time you have to type prefetch and click OK to continue. This temporary file's fate is similar to previous files. Just select them and delete. Number 4. Cleaning Recycle Bin. Now go to the Recycle Bin. Here you can see all the deleted files which are recycled here and killing your C drive memory. We don't need them. So select all the files and delete them. Number 5. Uninstall unnecessary applications. Go to the search bar and type uninstall. Then go to Settings. Then go to Apps. Here you have to press on Install Apps. Now you can see all the installed applications of your PC. Select the unnecessary applications which you don't need. And just uninstall them. I already uninstalled my unnecessary applications, so I am skipping it for now. Number 6. C drive optimization. Now you have to open the file folder and go to this PC. Here you can see your C drive, right-click on it and go to Properties. Then go to Tools and click Optimize. Again click on Optimize and optimization will start. This may take some time to complete. Number 7. Disk Cleanup. Go to your search bar and search for Disk Cleanup and click on it. Select C drive and click OK. Then this page will open. Here you have to check all of them and click on Cleanup System Files and click OK. Now again you have to check all of them and click OK. Now click Delete File. Then Disk Cleanup will start. This will delete your junk files and unnecessary files. This will take a very long time to finish. But after that your C drive will be ready to run smoother and faster than ever. So that's all from today. If you have any query let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.